So here we have this OLIXIS lift top coffee table. Now in this video, I'm gonna unbox it, put it together, and then I'll give you a quick review. Alright, and there's everything that came with it. Just a bunch of laminated particle board pieces, a couple packs of hardware, and the instructions. And here's a closer look at the hardware. But anyway, let's go ahead and put this together, and I'll use a timer to see how long it takes. Alright, so first we're going to take all 4 of these side pieces, and then this one top piece, and screw in a bunch of these screws that we'll use later to put them together. And then a few of these side pieces need dowels put in them. And these are going to help with alignment when we go to put everything together. Anyway, now we can install these 2 lifting supports onto the 2 side pieces with pre-drilled holes. They just take a bunch of these short screws into the pre-drilled holes, and they're a lot easier to drive in with a screwdriver. Also, make sure the brackets are pointing to the outside of the boards. And then undo the top sides of both of the lifting brackets using the wrench. This will make it a lot easier to install the top, which is what we're going to do right now. Take the board with those pre-drilled holes that line up, place the 2 lifting brackets on with the wide side on the left and the narrow side on the right, and then screw them in. And then you can reattach the gas struts. And now you should be able to open and close them pretty easily. Now we're going to install the front and back sides, which are these 2 pieces with the little handle cut out. Just slide them into place where the screws are sticking out and the holes match up, and then put these little round metal tightening clips into the holes on the inside and use the Allen wrench to tighten them down. And as you can see, this will lock those sides together. Then here you can see I'm putting on the other front side piece, same kind of thing. And then we're going to move it over and attach this center divider to the side using those same twist screws. Then we can add on this outside piece and tighten that on as well. Now we're ready to install the top, and this just fits into all those dowels we put in at the start and takes a bunch of wood screws to tighten it on. Then we can put on these metal brackets for the legs, just line those up with the pre-drilled holes and use the short screws to screw them on. Then you can twist in the 4 legs, these are made of plastic, and then put on these little foam sticky pads to stop this from sliding around and to protect your floor. Then you can flip it over and attach this smaller top piece. And just a quick suggestion, make the grain on both of these pieces run in the same direction. And this piece gets secured on from the inside with these little twisty screw pieces we used before. And then finally, once all of those are secured on, we can take this little pack of round sticky veneer pieces and cover up all of the holes that we use to fasten this together. And when you put them on, try and make the grain match as best as you can. They're definitely not perfect, but they are an okay way to hide all these exposed fasteners, and they're better than nothing. And there's going to be a bunch of number stickers left behind, so I'm just going to take a scraper and clean those up. Alright, and there we go. I just finished assembling it. It definitely was a bit more tricky than other pieces of furniture I put together, but all the pieces were numbered, so that made it a lot easier, and the instructions were plenty detailed, so it wasn't terribly difficult. Also, from start to finish, it took just about 45 minutes. Basically, this whole coffee table is made of 5/8 laminated particle board, and then as you saw, just a bunch of different hardware fasteners, and then these matte black metal lifter brackets. And these feet here are plastic with foam bottoms. There's a nice little cubby hole on each side for a bit of storage. And then of course this main lifting top that gives you a bunch more storage space. There's a handle on either side and you can use either one of them to lift it up. Overall, pretty neat coffee table, plenty sturdy, and got lots of storage for whatever you want to keep in here.